Good Monday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for October 6th, 2014. And we're going to have a warmer day today with the high pressure that was in control of our weather over the weekend now moving offshore. It's going to be sitting up here up near the Gulf of Maine and moving away from the area. At the same time, we're going to have a warm front that's going to move through the area, and it's going to all this precipitation you're seeing here is going to be over the Ohio Valley by the time we get to Monday evening. Leading edge of this will be out here and making our way into the western parts of the central PA Appalachian Mountains. So really most of the day here across our coverage area here being east of that will be dry, and we'll have some increase in clouds as we get into for our far western areas here, just becoming partly cloudy by the time we get to the end of the day. Elsewhere it's mostly sunny, and temperatures today are going to be a little bit warmer than they were over at least on Sunday. Temperatures after a very chilly start once again, and some scattered frost out in the area will rebound nicely, and temperatures will get up probably about 35 degrees higher than what they started out earlier this morning. So this area here will be under mostly sunny skies, and temperatures in most areas get near 70 degrees on either side of 70 degrees, within a few degrees. From north to south, of course, being the coolest to warmest. As we go a little bit further in time here, we're going to go to the overnight hours here, and this warm front is going to make its way eastward. Here's a look at early Tuesday morning. This is actually between 2 a.m. and what falls between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m. Really not a whole lot here, and it's just favoring our northern areas, central and northern areas here, getting to some light shower activity very early Tuesday morning. And we're talking about the wee hours of the morning. It might be already done by the time you get up for work on Tuesday morning. But this will be moving away, and this is an association with a warm front, and almost 24 hours later, we have a cold front coming through right on its heels. Now this is going to be Tuesday night and Wednesday here. Probably a better chance of showers, and better chance of showers further south as well, with a little bit more precipitation involved with this one. And then that is going to move off here again very early wee hours in the morning, Wednesday morning, and then that's out of here. This is a cold front, so the temperature will be dropping back a few degrees behind this frontal boundary. And then Thursday sets up to be a pretty nice day. You have high pressure that's going to be moving in, but it's going to be short-lived again, as we have another frontal boundary getting poised to move through the area here, and that's going to be bringing some precipitation through here on Friday. And right now it's not looking like a whole lot of precipitation with this front. But we are going to have showers nonetheless. This is for the frontal boundary sitting right here, and it's draped across our area here. It's going to produce some showers ahead of this frontal boundary here until it moves through. And that's going to be Friday afternoon through Friday evening, maybe a little bit into the overnight as well. And then we think this is going to push off to the south just far enough where it should be out of the area for the central and northern areas, but it might hang on a little bit early Saturday here with some showers or at least clouds. But I think it's going to be one of those deals where you have morning clouds giving way to sun everywhere else, so the weekend should be okay as high pressure is getting poised to move in here. That's sitting out here over the Great Lakes, so that should set up the weekend to be a pretty nice weekend again, but it's going to be dependent on the timing of this front, how far south it sags here. Here's looking at 2 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday, and you can see it's still suggesting that areas in the southeastern areas may be affected by that being in close proximity to this stalled frontal boundary, which is just the south here. Here's the frontal boundary like this, and also an area of low pressure that's forming along it. So we'll have to watch that as we get closer to the weekend. Right now, it looks like the better chance to have a nicer weekend would be the further north, because it's further away from the boundary, and high pressure nosing in may push this a little bit further to the south. We'll have to wait and see how that plays out later in the week, but we'll be on top of it as we get a little bit closer. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for October 6, 2014. Have a great Monday.